Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, and today, as usual, I come to you Modern English School, New Area, Navada. And today we will complete the third lesson, that is the little girl, and this is my second video. Yesterday I already told you that this story is the that description about the relationship between parents and children. And first portion, that the little girl Kezia, how she was having the opinion and how the opinion was made basing upon some incidents. And today in the second part of this video, I will discuss you that Kezia was shifted to a better opinion. She also realized that her father is also a very good one, not such a bad one as she was thinking. So now come to the point. According to Kezia, that what are the uses of such father, and McDonald's father was a very good father. So in Kezia's home, that Kezia was very much terrified, horrified by her father, and relief, little bit consolation she was getting from her mother and from her grandma. Now, one day that mother became ill, and so naturally mother and grandma, both of them had to go to the hospital. Now Kezia is there lonely at home, and that with the cook Alice. But daytime cook will be there, but after that she has to be alone, and at night only father will be there. So the whole day that Kezia was tensed, Kezia was worried, Kezia was thinking that what is going to happen, what will happen. And that generally Kezia used to see a dream, a nightmare. Nightmare means that a very bad dream, a very horrifying dream. What was that? That a butcher means the persons who chop meats. So a butcher, most of the nights Kezia used to see the nightmare that a butcher is coming, and that very cruelly he was smile, and he was just moving his knife towards Kezia, and he was also having a row. That means that maybe the indication of this nightmare, that this terrible dream is like that tying with the rope hands and feet, that maybe the butcher is going to chop whom? Kezia, maybe. So Kezia is thinking like that, the nightmare was like that. So Kezia was very much horrified, and when she used to sleep with her grandma, and when she see that nightmare, she used to get sheltered in grandma's arms. But today what will happen? Neither mom nor grandma are there at home. So at night usually Kezia slept, and the same dream came, and that time Kezia was just cried, and no, and I want granny. So when just the same dream came at night, and she was just cried and shouted, and just and woke up. Sweating, she woke up. Then she found that father was there beside her room, having a candle in his hand, and she just, in a very low voice, he asked what happened. Then Kezia told, oh, that butcher, I want that nightmare, and I want grandma. Then father did not utter any word. Father just blew off the candle, means it becomes again dark, and father very carefully, in a nice way, father has just lifted Kezia in his arms and taken her to his bedroom, and very affectionately, very loving way, he has put Kezia on his bed. beside him, and he also lied down beside Kezia, and just Kezia just went close to her father's breast, chest, and just she was holding tightly her father's shirt, and that kept her head on her father's arm. So this was a very comfortable feeling for Kezia. And naturally father was tired, and he was half asleep, and after all he slept. And Kezia, before that he told that if you are feeling cold, that western country always it is cold, if you are feeling cold, then you just keep your feet in my feet and rub it. So it is a very nice, very father-daughter attachment, loving moment, loving offer also. So Kezia Kezia just went close near to her father and did that, and father slept. Then Kezia was thinking, yes, my father is a huge person, but he's means he is very much strict, but what to do? That previous day Kezia thought that father has beaten her rudely, but now Kezia started realizing, yes, father had made one important speech, and it was urgent, it was necessary, and unknowingly Kezia has spoiled that, Kezia has torn that. So what to do? So that's why father had beaten her. So there was no way father to that give her a lesson. That's why father has beaten her. And that father is so tired, the whole day father need to work, so that's why father is tired, father remain tired, father remain so strict. But father is not so much bad, my poor father, and there is nobody in this world to look after, to take care father. Grandma also is not able to take care of father. So then Kezia just relieved shy this one. So and father was father slept and he was snoring, but Kezia was there, na, just tightly she was holding her father. So when she was relieving the shy, then naturally it touched father, and then father asked, what happened again that nightmare? Then Kezia told, no papa, and I can just hear your heart is beating, and I can hear that, and you are having a large heart, and you are also you are a very means what a large, what a great heart you are having. Means that Kezia wanted to say that father, you are also a very great father, you are also a very loving father, caring father, nice father. So when Kezia was just crying, wept, and because that she told why the father sat there, because she was beaten. But next the situation came that which make her realize that why father has beaten unnecessarily. Father did not beat her, and she also came to the realization that yes, no, her father is also caring, her father is also loving, and that due to tension, due to workload, father was like that as she was thinking. So this is a very nice story about bonding, about the relationship between parents and children. So children, listen this. Thank you everybody. Stay at home. Stay